everyone. I've got to show y'all. This is my rice cooker. As you can see, the little arrow is pointing towards brown rice. Okay? Now, I'm going to open it up. And this is just crazy to me. I'm making a red velvet cake. Now, watch, I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to put the contents that I've mixed up into the rice cooker. Now let's let's see if it'll do it. Of course, it's going to make a liar out of me. Let's see what happens if I just hit start. Nope. Okay, I just hit menu and it starts. And it went to cake off a menu. But the last cake, it was on white sushi rice. And I put a cake in there. And it automatically switched to cake. Don't know how. Anyway, so like 90 minutes. Well, I'll probably have to hit start again after this one's done, because if you poke your toothpick in it after just one setting, it'll still stick. So it takes two. At least the last one did. I don't know, this one didn't switch over, so I mean, it's going to be a red velvet cake, but who knows. Anyway, I'll get back to y'all as soon as it's done. And I'll show you, I think I'll show you after the first run and see if it's done, and then I'll do it on the second one. If it's not done, then I'll do it again and I'll show you what it looks like and everything. Okay, talk to y'all later. Okay, the first round is over. I am looking for a toothpick. Seeing how I don't have a toothpick, I'll use a big toothpick. I've got a whole box of them somewhere around here, but I moved everything the other day. Yeah, it's moist. See? Not ready yet. So, we hit cancel. And we do it again. And I will see y'all again. On the second one, that's what I found the last time, after the second round it was done. So we'll find out. But that was a white cake. This one is a red velvet, which is basically chocolate cake. Okay, we'll see y'all in a bit. Bye. Okay, it just beeped. Let's see if it's done, shall we? I don't know if this is, yeah, it's drying up. Pop that top. Very, very, very close. Got like a little bit on the tip, but that's down low. Right back there. We're over here. We're over here. I think it's done. Now what we're going to do is we hit keep warm. So it did work, except the red velvet cake is a lot more moist. I probably added too much water or something. I don't know. Maybe too much oil? But you could hear it when you push the skewer down in it. You could hear the moistness. So let's let it go a little bit, and then I'll flip it onto my cake deal, and after it's set up a little bit, because you don't want it real moist and try to get it on there. It'd probably just fall apart. And who wants a cake that's falling apart? Any kid. but, but I don't have any kids anymore. I mean, he's turns 21 in January, so hey, he's already out of the house, so The good thing is I get to lick all the batters and all that stuff. Yes, I do. Okay, so let's let it sit and let it keep warm for a little bit. I'm thinking, you can tell I'm thinking when I stop because I'm thinking about actually uh, doing it another half the time. And let's do that because I want to make sure. So in about 10 minutes or so, we're going to check it again because I want that the bottom, which will end up being the top, I want it kind of firm, set up. But I want the insides to be moist. Trust me, it'll work. And you don't use any cooking oil or Pam or any of that stuff around the inside to keep it slippery. Cooking spray or anything. You don't need to do that. This is a non-stick insides. Man, and I looked up how much the insides were. The the inside pan or whatever they call it. Holy cow! Cheapest one for this was $84, and it only cost me I forgot how much. It was like 150 or something. That's with um, extended warranty and everything. So you're talking half the price for just the inside uh, pan. I'm sure they've got to have another one somewhere, but you know the thing is when you use a lot of when you use rice cookers, um, the no stick pan after years and years or years tends to get flake off or get scratched. That's why you should only use a plastic or wooden paddle to get your rice out with, because you don't want to damage that the insides there. Okay, so we will see it in about maybe 10 more minutes. Okay, see y'all then. Okay, been letting it go for a while now. Maybe 10, 11, 12 minutes. Let's check and see what we got. This is a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Even in the center. Okay. So we got it off now. We're going to let it sit. We're going to let it sit and cool off. And then we're going to flip it onto the cake dish so that I can put frosting on it. Okay? See y'all in about 10 more minutes. Okay, it flipped right out, just like I said it would. Had to let it cool a little bit, and now I'm letting it cool just a little bit more, and then I'm going to put a white frosting on it. Maybe I'll line the frosting. I'm not sure yet. We shall find out. So I will come back again in a second with the frosting on. We'll see how that works. Okay? Okay, so there you go. It's white, but it's red on the inside. Yes, I did catch some flack about my last cake, so I went on and bought a cake dummy and in the glass dome, but it's not past dinner, so I can't eat any yet. Not supposed to have any anyway, but hey, I know people. It sounds like I'm in the mafia or something. I know people. I know people who will eat it because I licked the cake batter and it was good. Anyway, I'll put everything down in the bottom. The only reason it's I've got this much, I don't have enough frosting. I didn't make enough. I thought I had some, maybe stored some of that, whatever it is, but I didn't. So I'll leave all the information down at the bottom. And I ran out of eggs and I ran out of confectioner's sugar, so that's all the frosting that I can make. I should have actually shown from the beginning me making the cake, making the batter and everything else, but you might get bored with that because I did it by hand. I didn't want to feel like pulling out my blender or mixer. So anyway, if you like this, don't forget to hit the like button down at the bottom, hit the subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that bell so you get notified when I post. And I usually post every Monday around 10 o'clock a.m. Phoenix time, Mountain Standard Time. Don't have to worry about the what's it called, daylight savings time. We don't go by that. So if you do, I'm sorry, but anyway, yeah, if you make this cake, own it and be proud of it. Okay, so if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, find a place to go swimming where it's warm, or snuggle up. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you again soon. Love y'all. Bye.